So imagine this, pumunta ka sa Quezon Province and nakita mo nag-post si Erwan na masarap ang chami, pero hindi mo alam kung saan masarap kumain ng chami. So obviously, your next stop would be to go to Google, check best chami in Lucena or best chami in Quezon. Now, imagine on the other side of Google, ikaw naman yung business and gusto mo sana kapag may nag-search ng best chami in Lucena, yung business mo yung unang makikita. That is exactly how search engine optimization or SEO comes into play. Ang goal ng SEO ay maging top 1 or magpunta sa page 1 ng Google ang mga negosyo. There are a lot of businesses that wants to make it happen for themselves. SEO is the process of improving the website, its contents, and the goal is for your business website to rank in Google. SEO is all about increasing organic o hindi bayad na traffic to the website. And there are so many ways and strategies that you can do para sa SEO. If you guys want to learn SEO or you're kind of curious if this is something that would help you as an additional service sa inyong social media marketing and management service, or you want to use SEO para sa sarili ninyong negosyo, the good thing about SEO is napapag-aralan siya. But ang downside neto, kailangan ikaw ay may angking, talino at patience because it doesn't happen overnight. If you guys want to learn SEO or search engine optimization, we have a class and ang kagandahan nito, bukod sa 999 pesos lang siya, may kasamang internship na pwede ninyong ilagay sa inyong portfolio. If you guys want to join, wala kayo dito sa link sa bio ko, i-click nyo lang yan, pagkatapos it will open this page. Right under open classes, makikita nyo na 999 SEO level 3. Asan na yun? There you go. SEO level 3. I-click nyo lang yun, makikita nyo na yung form para maka-join kayo. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, ito yung i-click nyo. In case na hindi gumagana yung nasa TikTok at saka yung Instagram, punta na kayo sa Facebook page ko. Hanapin nyo tong video na to. Makikita nyo sa mismong caption yung link para mag-enroll. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!